guys, so today I'll be doing another cooking video with curry mix. So it's going to be a curry stew. And then I'm going to need this. It's a golden curry. It's a sauce mix. I'm thinking you can, if you're in the mainland, you can find it in your Oriental or Asian stores. And then I'm going to use 1 carrot, potato, bell pepper, onion, and I'm gonna use today some ground turkey. It's more a little healthier meat. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is brown my ground turkey. I just added some of the minced garlic from the jar, a couple scoops, and then browning my ground turkey. Okay. You can also add whatever vegetables you want. Sometimes you can, I'll add green beans, the fresh kind, green beans, and celery. I forgot to get celery, but usually I use celery in that.
Not much rainfall. We're generally just looking at high-level clouds. The weather's picking up some low-level clutter, so not rainfall, just west of Hawaii, actually mid-level. But you can see, for the most part, even though with this clutter, we don't really have a whole lot of rain. Rain moves this way.
Eat the rest of your food, Nobel.
Rainfall, so we'll have our trade winds trying to pick up a couple light showers, but not much. You get relatively quiet. There's some greater clutter around the big islands, so not rainfall, but this is. So this activity moving right there, that is rainfall. I know we'll see some scattered showers. We'll see some rain in Puna as we get over the next few minutes. Light to moderate showers looking off to the south and west, eventually heading towards volcanoes. We'll keep an eye on that, but overall, the trend over the next 24 hours is going to be a drier trend. So actually looking at lower rain chances. We'll have more clouds than normal and less rain than normal, which is kind of an unusual mix, but that's what we're expecting with that upper level low to our west. So a little bit more cloud cover than we normally see, but less rainfall. Maybe a couple isolated trade showers in the morning. Not much rainfall. We're generally just looking at high level clouds. The weather's picking up some low level clutter, so not rainfall, just west of Hawaii, actually mid-level. But you can see, for the most part, even though with this clutter, we don't really have a whole lot of rain. Rain moves this way.
Eat the rest of your food, Nobel.
Rainfall, so we'll have our trade winds trying to pick up a couple light showers, but not much. You get relatively quiet. There's some greater clutter around the big islands, so not rainfall, but this is. So this activity moving right there, that is rainfall. I know we'll see some scattered showers. We'll see some rain in Puna as we get over the next few minutes. Light to moderate showers looking off to the south and west, eventually heading towards volcanoes. We'll keep an eye on that, but overall, the trend over the next 24 hours is going to be a drier trend. So actually looking at lower rain chances. We'll have more clouds than normal and less rain than normal, which is kind of an unusual mix, but that's what we're expecting with that upper level low to our west. So a little bit more cloud cover than we normally see, but less rainfall. Maybe a couple isolated trade showers in the morning.
Put 3 cups of water so that I can put the sauce in there. So brand of the sauce, and then this is how the sauce looks when you open it up. It's different from Indian curry. It's not as hot. You can always, so right now we have the medium hot, but it's not very hot. And sometimes there's hot, but I don't think it's that hot. From my taste, it's not that hot. But this is like, in Hawaii we do a lot of beef stew, curry stew. You can use ground hamburger, you can use beef, you can use chicken, you can use shrimp, you can use whatever meat you desire, and it'll turn out great. So I'm gonna dump this into the water. So I just dumped the whole thing in. You can cut it. Hold on. You see it comes in like squares like that. You can use just however much you want, but I rather use the whole thing. It has a better flavor. So we're gonna wait till this dissolves. And then I got it on, I'm gonna wait till it boils. And then I'm just gonna throw all the vegetables in one time right now so it can all cook together. Added a little bit more water in there. I'm just doing, I just want a little bit more water so there's more gravy. or you can put in water as you go along to see how much sauce you want. And for me, it'll work out this way, like this. So we're just gonna wait till the vegetables cook. That's the only thing that we're waiting for, because we use ground turkey, so it was easier to cook. Sometimes if you use like a pot roast or beef, or you wanna boil the meat so that it can be tender and soft. For me, I like to have as I was saying, I would like to have the meat like just rip apart when I bite it. I don't want to be chewing too much. I want it to be really, really soft. So either that, or you can just throw everything in your crock pot. If you're using the pot roast or stew meat, you can just throw it in your crock pot and then throw everything in at once, but make sure that your curry is going to melt down into the sauce. That would be delicious like that. And I haven't used any salt, but I'm just going to add some pepper because we're trying not to use too much salt. Well, I'm not. So I'm just going to add some pepper with that. And then we're just going to stir it and wait till the vegetables cook, okay? Okay, so that is finished. You see how soft the potatoes are. I went a little bit too long. But you can always just, if you just want to do vegetarian style, you can just eliminate the meat and just put whatever vegetables you want. It's your own recipe if you want to make whatever you want to make. Okay. So I'm just going to put it over some rice. So that is my dinner for tonight. It's the curry over rice, and there's some macaroni salad. So that is all. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.